this is what I picked up at the beach. It was so windy. So this is all that I found. Strange, I've never found any beach toys on that beach. It's a mold for a star with a face. This is a purple coral piece. I love these. Sometimes you can find them bigger. This is like about a medium size. I like that. These are coral pieces. Usually you find a lot on that beach, but I only found 2. They'll go in my jar. Sand dollars. Isn't that gorgeous? Just look at that. Wow. Now that's the beach where you find the sand dollars. A lot were still alive, just these 2 I found. Look at that. So defined. Very nice. It has time to bleach out in the sun on the beach. This one did not, but this is the underside where it's red when it's alive. It didn't have time, it was buried in the sand. So I believe this one is going to probably have to go outside and dry out. See it there? Yeah. All right, my friends. Thanks for joining me on this beach walk, and I will see you on the next beach walk. Bye-bye.